Hello and welcome to my channel. As we all know, Microsoft Excel is a life-changing software. Knowing important functions of Excel makes our everyday life easier. In this video, I will talk about one of such important functions called Today. I'm sure that you have heard about this function, but if you have not heard about this, it's a very simple tool of Excel which tells you the current date or today's date. I will show you how. If you write this function like today here and there's just press enter. It will tell you today's or current date. Very simple. It looks very simple, but it can be used in complex scenario. I give some I give some simple examples showing how it can be used in various ways. For example, if you want to track service subscriptions, as how many days are left for a particular service provider that you have subscribed. I have listed four service as A, B, C, and D. Their start date and subscription date are different. Yeah, for example, just you see like 90 days, 150 days, 75 days, 45 days. But how many days are left? It's difficult to remember sometimes, right? But by using today's function, we can make a tracker to see how many days are left and when to renew the service. It's very simple. We will subtract. We will subtract the number of days has passed from the total days of service. I will write simple formula here as uh, subtract from total number of days. Just write today function minus start date. Press enter. If you see sometimes these kind of numbers, you have to modify the shell or box as general. Then you'll see the number of days left. I'll copy the same formula for the other service providers, and then you know the exact number of days left for all of these service providers. If you do not follow how it works, I divide this formula in two parts. For example, if first I calculate the number of days has passed, very simple. So just subtract from today's date minus start date, right? Again, you have to format the cells as general, so it's 49 days. And then in the second part, I just from the total number of days subtract the date number of days has passed, so 41 days. So it's the same as here. So what I did, I just combined these two formula in one, right? Then it's very simple. And the good thing of this formula is that you do not need to enter all these numbers every time you open the Excel sheet. Whenever you open, you will get the updated number of days left. Very simple. I have another example. If you, for example, if you want to calculate the age of a person, for example, if the person is born on 5th July 1975, if you want to know the age as of today, so I can show you how it works. Minus the date of birth, it will tell you how many years, number of months, and number of days. So it will tell you exact age. I give you another example. For example, if a person is born on 1989 in June on 15th, so I just copy this formula here. So the 32 years, 6 months, 17 days, right? If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will come again with another important function. Till then, see you. Bye bye.